Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jeanne, I'm a yoga teacher, and today's video is the first of this series that I'm going to publish because I started with the theory behind chakras. I made a meditation, like the color meditation. Now we're going to go straight into a sequence where we're going to activate each chakra one at a time, starting from the root to the crown. I think this is better because we don't want to just develop and overactivate one chakra in particular. It can be a goal at some point, but right now it's more to harmonize and balance out the body. So I hope you're going to like it. I count on you to put a thumb up if you do, and comment if you have any questions. So yeah, if you can practice in front of a mirror, that would be quite beneficial for you. So I'm just putting that there. Um, the level is intermediate. So if you have a bit of experience in yoga, good for you. It doesn't have to be yoga, it can be a different sport. Because it's not about practicing a sport, it's about awareness of the body. You may not even do sports, but still have a good awareness. So this is how I evaluate someone's level. Yeah. Sometimes it's related to history, sometimes not. Whatever. Let's start with forward fold. So, yeah, I always sit on the block. I find it more comfortable. So for that, you may need a strap, belt. I took a scarf today, and you place it like this around the toes. So it's really at the base here. See? If it's too high, you're just going to bring the toes up. If it's too low, you're going to drop the foot forward. So good position for the strap in yoga in general is like this. Okay, you may not need it, and if you don't have any, there is always options. So forward fold for the root chakra. So let's focus on that pelvic floor area, right? So lengthen the spine, make sure you're sitting on the sitting bones and feel them. You can rock a bit side to side. Place your feet as if there is a wall like this in front of you. Open the toes, back straight, arms up. And as you roll down, you're going to visualize red, okay? And when you press down like this, the upper body towards the legs, try not to round too fast. You can bend the knees if needed, but focus on the pelvic floor. So catch whatever you can, if it's the knees, calves, ankles, or if you need a strap, this is a good way to actually work on it and try to press into your pelvic floor. This is a very important point, whether it's in Indian traditional medicine or Chinese or Japanese. Everybody agrees that this Mula chakra, so the root chakra, is a very important one. It's a crossroad for energy. It can capture energy as well as let go of energy through it. So if you hold on to poo and pee, let's say, you're holding on to that energy within your body. If you let go, if you release, of course, energy is going to exit that way as well. Try to feel that. Always bathing in red. Observe your breath. Very good. Slowly roll up. Second is for sacral chakra. So it's between the pubic bone and the navel, just below the navel. And we're going to do both. Both is one of the most challenging posture I find. So you can either do that with the legs bent like this or straight. Ideally, your arms are straight like that. This is quite hard to hold because your back is not supposed to be rounded, right? You want to keep it up and lift the head away from the ears. So you can try the full pose, pointing toes, or knees bend. It's acceptable. And try to focus on that lower abdomen point. And think orange, big bright orange wrapping your body. Breathe, hold the posture. Very good. Sacral chakra. And slowly come out. Then we're going to do solar plexus, which is more at the level of the stomach, right? So you bend the left leg like this, and you place the right foot and the right leg like that. Let me turn so you see the other side. Okay, so it's stretching that, right? If it's too intense, you can also place that left leg straight like that. But let's do the full posture. It's called Lord of the Fish. Chakra is solar plexus, color is yellow. Right hand behind the tailbone, or even maybe behind the left hip. Left arm on the outside like this, and you send your shoulders away from the legs, as if because you're looking behind, right? To the right. And on the exhale, you can send your shoulders more behind. Keep your right foot into the floor and look to the right. Turn your head, turn your eyes. Breathe. Think yellow and feel that point here being pressed nicely. Shoulders away from your body and slowly come back. This is one of the postures you should practice in front of a mirror, because you will notice, if you do, that you have a tendency to go like that, which is not so good, or even to bend, like to round your back and then twist around it. And you want to keep your spine straight and turn around the spine like that. Okay. Whatever the shape of your legs, basically. Because the most important is to do a twist here to feel that. Let's change the side. So we're going to bend the right leg and place the left around, out. So find a comfortable position, right, where you can still press the foot into the floor. Both sitting bones cannot touch the floor exactly, okay? Or at least they don't have to. But try to have verticality in your spine. And as I said, if you can look at the mirror right now and see yourself, see your alignment, it's going to teach you a lot. Place the left hand behind your buttocks and the right arm on the outside of your left thigh. And you turn. And you look behind. You let go of all the tension that could withhold you from allowing that twist to happen. And the more you exhale, the more you twist. If you put too much pressure on your hand behind, this is not going to be comfortable and you may end up like that. See? And the foot is out. So only the fingertips are on the floor and you use the pressure on the mat to actually turn a bit more. On the exhale, yellow, feel the point. A nice twist. You're doing really good. And slowly come back. Good. Then, next posture is fish. So usually I do assisted fish with a block behind the shoulder blades, so it looks like that, right? But today we're going to do it without the block. So if it's not possible, you can always do it without a block. If this is easy, you can do with that height. Same story, like that. And the goal is to have the top of the head towards the floor, because this is going to open here the heart chakra, the heart region. Okay. So we're going to focus on that, and the color is green. Without the block, it looks like this. You place your hands like this behind, just underneath the buttocks. You bring your elbows closer to each other, and you drop the forearms into the floor. But you don't let go like this. You try to hold and open up the chest, so you make the longest arch, and then you go back to bring the crown onto the floor. Finger, toes pointed. Focus on the heart region. Try to open it to separate your shoulders. Bring the shoulder blades closer to each other. And if you can also lift the hips. Right now I cannot. Breathe into that green light. Very good. Come back. First the head, and then you come back. I'm all red. Okay. So next chakra is throat chakra. You're going to visualize light blue color. And we're going to practice the bridge posture. So bridge, make sure that you're not, your hair is not in the way. Bring the feet close to the buttocks, arms along the body, and you may press into the floor with the hands, but mostly into the feet. Not just the heels, not just the toes, not just the outside and the knees coming out, right? We're going to lift the pelvis, tilt it first, so navel up, tailbone down, and then we lift the hips, and we try to go as high as we can, and we can even climb on the shoulders. Did you see that? I was just lying down normal, and then I come up, and then I climb on the outside of my shoulders. So my hands cannot be on the floor, it's the palms towards the ceiling. And from here, I'm going to press here on my in my neck. Can you see the angle it makes? Well, you can place your hands like this underneath your kidneys at the top of your pelvic bone. Focus on the light blue throat chakra. Breathe. And slowly come back. Very good. Okay. Take a couple of breaths. This is a very intense posture, I find. Then let's come back up. And on our knees, for third eye chakra, we're going to do puppy pose. So big toes together, knees underneath the hips, hands forward as far as you can. And unlike child's pose, where we put the forehead on the floor, this time we're going to put the chin on the floor. Okay? Puppy pose, it's called. Like that. So you look forward, and it's like you look internally towards your third eye. Like you're cross-eyed a bit from inside. Breathe. indigo light. Okay. Slowly come back. So we're gonna do down dog for crown chakra activation, and the color is purple. So on your toes, on your hands, fingers and toes widespread. Press into the fingers, not just the base of your wrists. The right distance between your hands and feet is like for a plank. And when you come up, so if you can't put the heels down, I don't care. You can even bend the knees, send your hips and your tailbone up, and try to focus on the crown of your head. Lengthen your spine. Purple. Breathe. You are there. Stay strong in your hands, in your fingers. I hope you are proud of yourself. And slowly come back. Well, I hope you enjoy this first sequence like this. Intermediate level, not so easy, but don't worry, an easier one is coming soon. So stay tuned. This is the playlist for Chakra, where you can find all the Chakra videos like this. This is the most important you should listen to. It's more like a podcast. You don't need to really watch it. Listening is enough. And this is to subscribe and not to miss any other video from me. All right, cheers. Have a great day.